Hi, my name is Jane Trail, and I am a realtor with Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage. As a realtor, I not only represent buyers and sellers with resales, but I also represent buyers and investors who desire to purchase new construction homes from builders. I have over 8 years of experience in my career with regional, national, and local builders prior to being an actual real estate agent. Now, as a real estate agent, I am certified as a new home specialist and a residential construction certified. Now, why should you use a realtor when you want to buy a new home from a builder's model park? Well, why? Because it's in the best interest for the buyer to have representation. The builder sales rep is a great asset and a great resource for education about the builder, about the home, and to do all the paperwork for you. But they work solely for the builder. They don't represent the buyer. So if you don't have a realtor represent you, you're going to go it alone. And buying and building a house is a long process. It can take anywhere from 6 months to over a year to have the house completed, and that's a long time to go it alone. When I represent you, I can help you determine what home site is going to give you the best value, what options are going to give you the best resale value, and I can also give you background information on the builder, on the community, and on construction processes. So the next time you're looking at a new home at a builder's model park, think about being represented. And I would love to have the opportunity to represent you as your buyer's agent with any of the new home model park communities in the greater Baltimore area and surrounding communities. So please feel free to call me Jane Trail. I'd love to help you.